everybody. I'm Dr. Atul Mathur, Executive Director of Interventional Cardiology at Fortis Escorts Heart Institute, Okhla in New Delhi. In this unusual time, this is a time of the COVID pandemic where all over the world, by waves, different countries and different parts of the Indian country states are getting affected by this virus. So there has been a lot of panic amongst the general population, and we are seeing the same fear and panic amongst a lot of our cardiac patients who have been in follow-up with us for lots of years and who are doing extremely well, but they are afraid to come to the hospital even for routine checkups. Similarly, people who have developed new cardiac problems are still afraid to come to the hospitals to seek treatment, and which has proved very harmful for a lot of them. We have seen some patients who have come in a very advanced problem when they have reached us, whereas due to the COVID fear, they have been avoiding to seek any kind of medical guidance. So I would really advise you, don't be afraid, because our hospital is following all COVID protocols. We have absolute safety, and we are checking each and every person who comes into the hospital for COVID presence. So it is a safe time to come into the hospital, and in the last several weeks, we are doing a large number of cases, and our hospital is known for complex procedures of interventional cardiology and also surgery. In interventional cardiology, we do high-end procedures like non-surgical replacement of the valves, like the aortic valve, which is called, the procedure is called the TAVI procedure. Mitral valve repairs without opening the heart, called the mitra clip procedures. And similarly, we are doing a lot of interventions of plugging holes and in the heart due to heart attacks, or also holes which are there due to since birth. So these are the different kinds of procedures we do inside